Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Guanshan Township in Taidong used to be an Ami indigenous Taiwanese tribal village. After the Japanese colonial period, Hakka immigrants moved into the area. In addition to tasting the famous Guanshan rice, visitors to the area can also enjoy a scenic ride along a 12-kilometer-long bicycle path.
台东关山镇早期为阿美族原住民的聚落，日据时代后，客家移民主要聚集在坎顶、德高北庄、德高西庄、月梅、电光、新福及广新等村。游关山，除了品尝关山米外，一定不能错过全长12公里的关山环镇自行车道。
Welcome everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
大家好, I'm Tim Berge. And you know, Leo, I think it's time for you to take us to a very beautiful place in Taidong. 我聽說 Leo 今天你要帶我們去台東很美麗的一個地方，是什麼地方呢？
冇錯，就是台東縣的關山鎮，台東縣關山鎮。
關山鎮，那這個地方我從來沒有去過，所以這個關山這邊有什麼特別？
關山鎮要在 Viso 哈，這個地方非常的漂亮，
Okay.
它有小瑞士之稱。
Wow, so it's called Little Switzerland. Well, how does it get that name?
因為關山這邊嘛，它的風景非常漂亮，它算是一個小的平原。
Okay, so it's a very small plain with very beautiful scenery. Well, that sounds nice.
種了很多的稻米，這邊的米很多關山米。
Guanshan mi. Okay, so the Guanshan rice. Okay, and they raise a lot of rice there. Okay, that sounds interesting. Well, you know, such a natural sounding place. It must be a great place to get out your bicycle and take a tour around.
冇錯，因為關山鎮那邊算是比較平坦的，所以騎自行車還蠻方便的。
對啊，所以 since it's a nice flat area to take that bicycle out will be very easy and very relaxing.
所以那邊有一條全長有12公里、11公里嘅關山反鎮次行岔路。
Wow, a 12-kilometer long bicycle pathway. Well, that's really neat. That must be a lot of fun.
關山反鎮次行岔路。
關山反鎮次行岔路。So that's the Guanshan bicycle pathway. And 我們騎了腳踏車之後，那還可以去哪裡？
這邊還有一個當有名的比賽叫關山清水公園。
清水公園, so it's a water park. Wow, that was a great tour of Taidong County. That's it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Tim Berge.
我係 Leo， 什麼大家按時寫張來了。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.